Next, I'd invite Sriparna and yeah, thank you.
Good evening, everybody. I would like to say thank you firstly, and then start by talking about one of our many interventions, which we call as CulTool or Sanchay. I would like to start by pointing out the problems that we have addressed, which are by and large the same everywhere. So, firstly, the point that I would like to mention is that we have an old habit of imposing our solutions wherein we forget that wherein we forget to consider that there is already a knowledge, traditional knowledge present in the society. Second, we forget that our society is a system of systems. Thirdly, which is very important, that we all realize that our problems are very dimensional, but our solutions are not at all transdisciplinary. And finally, because we fail to understand all these problems, we have a habit of putting a band-aid when something bad happens. So, to talk about our objective, it was mainly to explore the possibility and mainstream and understand the traditional knowledge of a society and use that into for climate action and disaster risk reduction. To talk about our actions very quickly, first thing that I would like to say is that we assisted NRDC India and MHT to integrate traditional knowledge into the heat action plan of Jodhpur. Secondly, we could have stopped there, but we wanted to understand these traditional knowledges, and hence we documented the climate culture story of Jodhpur, which is also present. You can scan and watch whenever you all are free. Thirdly, while documenting these stories and narratives of Jodhpur, what we realized was that mainly the knowledge bearers of the society are the women. Hence, we organized a workshop known as Manthan, where we also included children, wherein we wanted to understand that there is a intergenerational transfer of knowledge. We also conducted an architectural study to understand why the old houses of Jodhpur have an ambient indoor temperature and submitted the report to the corporation, wherein we hope to help them with the problem of urban heat islands. Finally, we wanted to also uh, leverage water culture for climate action, and hence we did an immersive workshop with students and teachers wherein they voiced their thoughts very loudly. To quickly run through our impacts, I would say that Jodhpur is a very confident city now where they use their cultural knowledge for climate action. As because we are running very short of time, I'll quickly wrap it up by saying that we were very grateful that we got recognized by the king of Jodhpur, and also it's very we are very happy to say that our work is having a long lasting impact, as even after a year of our intervention we see that it's projected and it is helping create livelihood. This is our global footprint and the work that we are doing. And I'd like to conclude by saying that on the occasion of International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction, we as Grid Corps are doing something big in Kolkata, and we would like to invite anybody who is interested for a collaboration. Thank you.